Hey guys, so today we're checking out the Rugged Ridge all-terrain door entry guards fitting all 2018 and newer two-door JL Wranglers. So if you're in search of some small mods for your interior that are going to give you a little bit of style, as well as give you some function in the meantime, this option by Rugged Ridge is going to be a great choice to take a look into. So this choice by Rugged Ridge, or this door entry guard, is going to cover the complete area of the door sill. Now that's going to be great if you're looking to protect your door sill and the paint on your door sill from any scratching or any damage while you're getting in and out of your Jeep. Not to mention, if you already have damage there, this is going to do a really good job at covering up that damage and creating a better aesthetic to the interior when you open up your door. Now, I really like the fact that this is going to have a treaded pattern on the bottom. Not only is it going to give you a touch of off-road style, but it is also going to give you some traction for when you're getting in and out, considering that those door sills can actually be pretty slick when you don't have anything there. Now, what I really like about this is the fact that this is going to come up and over the door sill, so it's going to completely cover that whole area, unlike some other options that will only consist of this bottom part. Now this is going to be more for somebody who wants some more protection out of a door sill guard or a door entry guard in comparison to someone who wants them just for style. So if you are looking for that protection, this is going to be right up your alley. This is going to be made of a durable thermoplastic material, so it is going to hold up for a very long time. It's going to have a deep black look to it and match with any trim inside your interior. And if you flip this over, you can see that this is going to have a large strip and a couple of strips of 3M tape. Now that heavy duty 3M tape is going to keep it in place for a very long period of time, and it's really not going to move around anywhere when you're getting in and out, especially when it is sealed inside the door area. Now with all that being said, these are going to be roughly $40, and in my personal opinion, I think that you're getting your money's worth with this set of door entry guards. Now this may seem like a small product for $40, but this is going to have a high quality build even for a simplistic product. You can tell that the material is going to hold up for a long time, and it's going to be flexible and really mold to your door sill area, while also giving you a lot more protection than some other options on the page and styling in the meantime. So again, if you are looking for some custom off-road styling for your interior, and you're also looking for a ton of protection for that door sill entry, then this is going to be a great choice to take a look into. And because they do have 3M tape, these are also going to be very easy to install. I'm going to give it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you'll probably need about 10 minutes to get these installed. So speaking of that install, let's jump into that now. The tools that I used for this install were a rag and a bottle of soapy water. Before we go ahead and attach our entry guard, I do want to make sure that this area is clean. If we attached it with this dirt here, the adhesion process would be messed up, and we want to make sure that we avoid all of that. So I'm just going to take some soapy water and just clean this up, and then hit it with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol to help the adhesion process, and then we can grab our entry guard. Right, want to make sure that the area is dry. And remember, it is going to go up on this ridge here, and it is going to cover this bolt up at the front. That's why there's a bulge there, so we want to make sure that everything is hit. After it's all dry, we can start to peel some of the 3M back. I'm not going to peel it completely, but we do want to make sure that we have some strips out. What we're going to do is line this up now, keeping these outside. That bulge up at the front is going to go over that bolt. We're going to start to stick this down into place. Start to peel back. Same at the bottom. Once we get to the back, we do have that last piece of 3M. So I'm just going to peel that completely back, or completely off. We can secure that down and then continue with our other strips. Now after those are out, you just want to give a firm press. Make sure that everything's staying in place. And you can repeat that process on the other side. So that's going to wrap it up for my review and install. Make sure you like and subscribe, and for more videos and products like this, always keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.